Michael's gonna try and stand up. Come on, do it. Impress the camera.
Take it back now, y'all.
Do it.
5 hops this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Freeze. Charlie Brown. Yes.
There's a lot of stuff going on right now.
Oh, jeez. We have a lot of talent here.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, wow.
Let's see he can bend one knee.
No.
Oh,
One knee would be
Mason
too easy.
Sizemore is
No.
calling.
Don't make it easy for him.
Here.
Don't answer.
Oh, okay. Not answering. Rejected.
Somebody got it.
So now I have to tag Mason in the video because he called and you rejected his call.
Mason Sizemore, you're right here. Actually, you're not there anymore.
What's the word?
Kind of looks like I've tried to do this before, doesn't it? Michael Harrison, do you want one person to help you?
This is gonna be too long to post,
On
man.
your stomach. On your stomach. Roll over your stomach.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I'm so glad the maneuver.
There you go.
What the heck is
I
going
don't know
on?
if that's going to work.
You can use your face.
I'm just not.
You can use your face to like pick
Okay.
yourself up.
It's like those little squirrels you put in the little ball.
Speaking of squirrels, okay, I'm just walking home from my house. To my house. Doesn't matter what he does. I'm walking towards my house.
Okay, last try.
Man, serious matter.
And the squirrel is...
I can't move.
You need to move.
There you go.
Don't forget.